Today's video is on the MDT, which is the welterweight champion of the dump trailer class. What we're going to do today is answer a question that we receive pretty often about the MDT when they see that it has a ramp option. It's like, what can I even haul with it? Like, what sense does it make to have a ramp option on a smaller series of dump trailer? So if you see in this case, we've got a John Deere 3025, which is a 25 horse tractor, has a front end loader on it. You know, this tractor is great for the hobby farmer, the guy doing light landscape around the house. You know, you got 6 acres that you're maintaining or 10 or something like that. This size tractor is great and kind of fits with this dump trailer. It fits like a glove. This little tractor weighs about 3,000 pounds, which is just under half of the payload of this trailer. But, you know, tractors have a little bit of length and mass to them, so you're going to need a bigger trailer if you have a bigger tractor than about this size. So other stuff it can haul, definitely side-by-sides, zero-turn mowers, you know, small skid steer. Those are all examples of pieces of equipment that you could haul with the MDT.